I'm gonna make a promise to you, because in the next 15 minutes you are going to understand marketing on a completely new level. A level that 99% of people probably won't even get to. And I'm not talking about service level, I'm talking about the level where you can actually start generating leads consistently through your personal brand. And it's not by posting more content, and it's not by trying to go viral with all these fake social media tips and tricks or the viral sounds that you can implement on your videos. No, it's about a level that actually will change your whole marketing strategy and will change the revenue within your company completely. And I will guarantee you that if you follow what I'm about to break down in this video, you will get insane results. Because this is the exact system that allowed me to make over $149,000 with my personal brand. But not just for myself, also for many of the clients that we are actively working with, like Ruben and Samuel Onua, Defino, Mr. Brand Owner, Switzy, Sabri Subi, and many more guys in the info space that you see on your For You page every single day. And you see them for a reason, because their marketing strategy is so bulletproof that you keep seeing them over and over and over again until you convert into a sale for their product or service. So this is not just some random strategy that I came up with myself. This is a strategy that I've been improving over the last 4 years that allowed me to get the results that I'm currently getting from me as well as my clients. Now, without further ado, let me break this down in a very simple way, because there are 3 levels of marketing that you need to understand. The first level of marketing is what I like to call level 1, where you in between the 0 to 10k per month mark, and where you're fully reliant on cold outreach, cold outbound, cold emails, cold calling, and just all traffic will be cold. Now, if you're not doing any of these things and you're avoiding to doing all these cold outreach, then you're not just avoiding reality, but you're not even taking your company seriously. Then level number 2, and this is where it gets more interesting, because this is where you can make 10 to 30k every single month, and this is where you combine organic marketing, cold outreach with paid advertisement. And by now everyone should know this, you know, Max Inhouse, Nick Setting, Siggy Vos, me, and if you follow these guys and if you follow what we actually share on our YouTube channels, you will get results and you will get more clients with the marketing that you're doing. And I'm not even gonna dive into it, because this is not where most people get stuck, because anyone can create organic videos, anyone can launch ads, and anyone knows how these things combined together will actually get you qualified leads consistently. Now, level 3 is where everything gets very interesting, because this is the level where you're making more than $100,000 every single month through the marketing efforts that you're implementing. And this is where you stop playing the same game as everyone else out there on the market. Because at this level, it's not about doing more, it's not about increasing ad spend, it's not about posting more videos, but it's about doing something different. Because right now, most of you guys watching this that have an info product, that are a coach, that are a business owner, are doing the same thing as everyone else. Same hooks, same content, same formats, and then you wonder why you're not standing out, or why you're not growing your page, or why you're not getting any leads for your product or service. And nobody sees your authority because you're competing in a crowded market with zero differentiation. And that is the problem that you currently have. You need to stop copying all these people that you see online, implementing the same hooks, same videos, same strategy, same way of filming, same way of doing everything. Because in a crowded market as the info space, you need to differentiate yourself, and if you actually want to get leads consistently. Now, let me break this down for you. We have multi-level marketing, and yes, it works, and it's a volume play, because you leverage people around you and you leverage distribution, and it's pretty cool and it works, but it has nothing to do with your authority, your positioning, and your story that you can tell online to actually get people interested in what it is that you do and how you can help them. Then you can do the clipping content with WAP clipping, and I already made a video about this that I'm pretty against it, because yes, it gets you the views and yes, it gets you the attention, but what happens next? You start looking like everybody else because all these clippers are making the same videos over and over and over again, and the moment that that happens, you're losing authority and you're losing credibility, and frankly at the end you become replaceable by all these other people that are implementing the exact same strategy. And once you're replaceable, it's basically game over for you and your personal brand, especially if you're in the info space. So what is actually working right now that you need to implement to actually get results? And that is something that I've been refining for almost 3.5 to 4 years at this point. And it's built what I like to call the 100k personal brand engine. It means you don't just create content, but you create new formats that people associate with you as an individual. Think about the way of editing, think about the way of filming your content, think about the way of talking in your videos, think about the way you dress in your videos, think about the style that you have as an individual and your story that you can tell out there online. And for me, that was creating content in the most random places possible, sharing the value that I have about personal branding, combining that together with undocumented and documented content, creating the micro videos that I'm creating the talking videos that I'm doing right now, and also being as real as possible. Within any video that I'm making, I'm not trying to be someone else. The stuff that I wear is the stuff that I wear on a daily basis. The way I speak is the way I speak on a daily basis. The story that I tell is actually based on my own story that I've been working on since I started and dropped out of college. And all these things, they aren't just content types or a story that you can sell, but it's real assets that you need to leverage in the content that you're producing. Because all these tools and all these things that you can implement are positioning tools that will differentiate yourself from anyone else in the market. And there's a simple reason why all of this works so well. Because when someone watches my content, they don't have to think. They see what I'm explaining visually through the form of Miro videos or the iPad videos or just screen sharing videos in general. So their brain instantly understands what I'm talking about, and if they really do understand it, they can implement it directly into their business. And that increases the retention, and it builds an insane amount of trust that, of course, I've been speaking about in many of my videos. You need to build trust in order to actually convert people. Now, when I started doing this, everyone was posting the most random content ever. Lifestyle videos, stalking videos, podcast settings with the most random guys out there thinking that they are multi-millionaires talking about business ideas, and everyone has seen it. If you make a video in a podcast setting right now, I can guarantee you that it will not go viral unless you're speaking with a very interesting person. And I came in and I thought, we need to change this game. We need to change this market. We need to change the way we're documenting the content. We need to change the way how we explain the valuable videos to people. Just like how Iman Gatsi came out with his editing style with his informational videos, something that no one has done before. A new structure, a new way of editing, a new way of doing storytelling and sharing information to the people online. And that's why he grew so fast, because he didn't copy other people. He didn't try to do what anyone else was doing. He came up with something unique that wasn't been done before. And that contrast alone with him to anyone else within the info space is what made it work and is what got him the results that he is getting today. Because it instantly positions yourself smarter than anyone else in the market that you're operating. Because when you simplify complex information, whether you're in the info space, e-com space, trading space, agency space, it doesn't matter. You will look like the authority if you make these kind of videos for your audience. Not because you say that you are the authority within the market, but because people can feel it when watching the content that you created. Now, this is where it gets very interesting. And this is the part that absolutely changed everything for me, allowing me to grow over 3,000 followers in a matter of 1 week time. Because at some point people started copying my content, people started DMing me, people started copying the story highlights that I was making. Literally the exact same framework. And I know there's more people out there, and I know that I learned from someone else how to do these things, but I gave my own twist to it and I made it my own thing. And I saw people copying one-on-one how to do the story sequences in my niche. And at first I was like, damn, is this a good sign? But then I realized they weren't copying me, they were working for me. And let me explain this to you. Because let's say my whole market is 100 million people and I start creating my robot video or story sequences or undocumented or documented content about the things that I do. I may be able to capture 5-6 million of that people, but if other people see that it's working and they start implementing it and they start redesigning it and they start doing the things that I've been doing on my personal brand, they start reaching an audience that I haven't been able to reach yet. Let's say someone is copying me in the United States, he will most likely target way more United States people than I will be able to do from Europe. And here's the best part about this whole story, because all those people that guy is targeting will find their way all the way back to my account and my profile and see that I am the one that is engineering all these new things behind my personal brand and not them. And that's why they will choose me over the other guy that's competing or copying me in the market. They will always go for the guy who engineered everything instead of going for the copycat. And the reason for it is simple, because I am the one who started it, I am the one who created it, and I am the one who owns it, and I'm the one who is positioned as the authority for this specific type of content. Now let's say I have a 20 million reach behind it. Someone else copies and gets 5 million reach behind the content that he's creating. Out of those 5 million people, 80% will eventually see my content, see that I'm the one engineering it, and will come and convert through me instead of the guy that was copying me. So while the copycat is thinking that they're growing because they're implementing my content that is working, they're actually feeding straight into my brand and straight into my pipeline of leads that I can actually sell my offer to. And this simply proves that you don't win by being the best. You win by being first and creating something new and engineering something new, something that hasn't been done before. Because now when people see the videos that I make on my iPad, or when people see the talking videos that I'm making, they don't think of anyone else but me. Because it's the way how I positioned myself, and it's not because of luck, but it's because I actually engineered these things and actually created something that wasn't been done before. And I've actually found people and I asked them on a sales call, how did you find me or where did you come from? And the simple answer is because Kier is leading in the market that he's operating in, and he's most likely the best within the market that he's operating in. My sales calls take about 20 minutes before I close somebody because they know exactly what it is that I do. They know exactly the kind of content that I create. They know exactly how I can get them results, and therefore I don't have to convince them on any of the calls. They are already pre-sold by the content that I'm posting. Think about it. People decided to pay me even though they discovered me through somebody else. And that is the insane amount of leverage that you can create by engineering and creating new things within your personal brand. And I did this many different times. I did this with story sequences. I did it with my videos. I did it with my lifestyle videos. I have literal people copying one-on-one the videos that I'm posting on my trial reels and copying the videos one-on-one that I'm posting on my main feed. And now my clients are doing the exact same thing in different niches. Fitness, finance, e-com, coaching, trading, peptides. Like, the market has gotten so big and they're doing the exact same thing that we tell them to implement. And this is where you really need to start paying attention, because what I'm about to share you is the real game that you need to implement as soon as you're done watching this video. Because this is the skill loop that you can implement and create for your own personal brand. You create a new format. As soon as it works, people start copying it. The market starts expanding and more people will discover you and want to work with you over all the other copycats that are in your market. And that loop just keeps compounding over and over and over and over again until you reach a point where you don't even know what to do with all these leads. Now, most people think I just need to post more content, and I get it, it works. The more you post, the more input you have, the more output you get. But that's simply not the case anymore, because you don't need more content and you don't need to copy more of what other people are doing. You need to create something that is worth copying for other people, because when people start copying you, that's where you win, and that's where you will generate an insane amount of revenue for your company. Now, the reason why most people fail is because they don't have a framework, they don't have a system, and they don't have a clear strategy for their personal brand. So they start trying random things, they waste their time, they get no results, and then they quit because they think, oh, I put all this time and energy into my personal brand, but I'm not making any money. And the reason for it is because you don't have a framework, a system, and a strategy in place that will allow you to get the results that you are looking for. Now, this is basically it. There's a level of marketing that most people probably don't even reach, and it's being the creator that people start copying. And that's it. Now, if you want the exact system that I use, the full framework, the full strategy, and the way how you can implement it into your brand, simply send me a DM and I'm gonna check out if I will be able to help you grow your personal brand and actually generate money for your info offer. With that said, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Gotta go to some clients, gotta meet some clients, and enjoy the rest of the day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.